Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors, and our clients to make their own investment decisions through our training programs and innovative investment strategies. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is May 31, 2023, Wednesday, so month end. So we will discuss about today, but I'll give a broad outline about how the month performed. So last month, April, was a significant up move that we saw in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, and which means obviously many of the components of Nifty and Bank Nifty moved up significantly. Particularly the banking and financial sector made a significant up move in April. So in the month of May, that is current month, May 1 to 31, that is today the market is over. In this month also, it continued its up move. So it formed a kind of a solid green candle, which is a continuation pattern. And now, in the case of Nifty, all the three bands are moving in parallel: the upper band, middle band, and lower band. And it is just below the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart. In the case of Bank Nifty, the upper band is slightly above, but it is not moving in parallel, it's slightly going up, which means the potential for Bank Nifty to go up further is there. Whereas if the bands are moving in parallel, in the case of Nifty, what it can happen is, may not be immediately, 1 or 2 months or 3-4 months like that. If it goes and forms further band parallel, moves in parallel, we call it as a band squeeze. If that happens, there will be an imminent breakout that will happen. The breakout can be in the upward or in the downward direction, but looking at the overall trend, if this trend continues and if you don't have a big breakdown in June and we go up this way, probably 3-4 months down the line, probably we will see at that time we might have a breakout on the upward direction in the Nifty also, while Bank Nifty will continue to move. So that is how the overall structure is positioned. So since Bank Nifty and Nifty components behave this way, most of the banking components moved up significantly. In fact, Kotak was the star performer for this month. In fact, today itself it moved around 2%. Overall, it moved significantly up and it crossed the 2000 mark, which, if one recollects, in the month of February, we said this year it is going to be a month Kotak year, which we have said in one of our videos. So Kotak moved up significantly, and however, the HDFC twins underperformed. In fact, it formed a bearish engulf type of candle in the monthly. That means the April month was a big green candle, May was a big red candle covering the previous day candle. So in spite of it, market moved. Why? Because the other components supported. IT components supported very well. TechM supported even today, and TechM moved significantly up, and it was hovering around the in the monthly chart for quite some time, forming rounding top, and it now broke above that level in this month. So that means TechM is on a good up move, and you have SCL Tech, Infi of course didn't make much of move. SCL Tech was a star performer for IT, and Reliance also did well in this month. So with and Bharati of course moved up. So with all these other components supporting, we had a good up move in Nifty, and also Bank Nifty was supported by SBI, Axis Bank, Kotak, and all these things. So ICICI also moved up. So that is how the overall event happened for the month of May 2023. That is the month which just ended today. I mean, the month is not over. From a trading perspective, it has ended. So today, how did it perform? Banks, IndusInd Bank and HDFC fell. HDFC Bank fell 1%, while SBI and Axis Bank fell 2%, and Kotak and Yes Bank moved up 2%. So SBI in the monthly chart has formed doji. What we call doji is opening and closing at the same level or near the same level. Okay, so it last month it moved significantly up. Normally you can note down this. Normally, and June 30th we will speak. If normally after a significant up move and a doji, and if it opens gap up or gap down, normally it will close in the direction in which it has opened. That means If tomorrow SBI opens gap up, the June month is going to be a significant up move. If it is a gap down, it is going to fall. That is what it is. The financials, Bajaj Finserv, M&M, Shriram fell 1%, HDFC and LIC Housing Finance fell 2%. Nothing moved up, all others remained flat. Insurance and cards, LIC fell 1%, HDFC Life and SBI Life fell 1%. Oil and telecom, Reliance down 2% today, while Bharti moved up significantly, going up by 4%. IT, Emphasis TCS fell 1%, Apple, HCL, LTTS, Techam 1% up, Birlasoft 2% up, Coforge and Intellect 3% up. Intellect had a dream run in this month. In the consumer goods, ABFRL, DMart, ITC fell 1%, Asian Paints, Pidilite, Titan 1% up, Britannia 2% up. In the automobiles, Bharat Ford, TVS and Techem, Tata Motors and TVS Motor 1% up. Escorts moved up by 3%, while Bajaj Auto, Hero Motor, M&M and Motherson down 1%. Metals, Coal India, Jindal Steel, JSW, SAIL, Indus all fell 1%. Vedanta and Hindalco down 2%. Metals overall it was a down day. Health and Pharma, Ciplo 1% down along with Thyrocare. Sun Pharma moved up by 1%. Apollo remained sideways. Others category, Jubilant Food, Polycab, UPL down 1%. Adani Ports, Delta Corp, Havels, India Mart, IRCTC, MCX up 1%, APL, Apollo and Aries up 2%, Zomato moved up by 3%. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry tomorrow? The support and resistance. Now we can tell. Support, it is at 43,674. What is that? The levels we said. 20-day exponential moving average. That's the support for Bank Nifty for this tomorrow option expiry. For Bank Nifty on the upward side, above the weekly upper band is the one where one can take comfort. So that is at 44,700. Nifty on the other hand, the support is at 20-day exponential moving average once again. That is at 18,299, while the resistance is at above the monthly upper band, which is at 18,820. Because it is a new month, it can open anywhere. Hence, one has to be very cautious. Thank you very much.